Today, we're making a 15-minute Yaki Udon. If you're looking for a delicious easy udon stir-fry, then be sure to give this a taste. This is a great option for meal prep or just a family dinner. Something I love about this recipe is that it's so simple but packs flavor. You can't go wrong with udon, so let's get cooking. Start by cutting 1 pound of beef flank. I had this left over in the freezer, but feel free to use other beef thinly cut as well. Then thinly cut 2 chicken thighs into strips. In a bowl of room temperature water, we'll loosen up our frozen udon packets. We're using about 5 udon packets today. Drain the water once broken up. On a wok set to high heat, add some oil, and cook our meat. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and toss until cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then add 1 cup of nappa cabbage. Add a 1/4 cup of thinly cut carrot. And toss together. Add the udon, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and toss together for about 2 minutes. And boom, we have a simple but delicious Yaki Udon. This makes for a great meal prep or dinner without too much annoying prep work. The meat is tender and the noodles give this dish a nice chewy texture. If this looks delicious, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.